If you are currently on the verge of deploying over $1,000 on the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro Max, it is time to halt your capital expenditure before investing in hardware destined for rapid asset depreciation. The contemporary mobile market enforces an artificial, annualized upgrade cycle, leveraging aggressive marketing campaigns to sell marginal, iterative camera optimizations as revolutionary milestones. However, deep supply chain intelligence and regulatory database filings indicate that Sony is engineering a disruptive counteroffensive. The highly anticipated Sony RX100 VIII is poised to completely recalibrate the mobile imaging paradigm, delivering uncompromised optical superiority that renders annualized flagship smartphone upgrades entirely obsolete. For the past decade, conventional market consensus suggested that the premium compact camera segment was extinct, cannibalized by aggressive computational photography, neural network enhancements, and algorithmic software optimization designed to mask the physical deficiencies of microscopic mobile sensors. Yet, no amount of software engineering can bypass the immutable laws of physics. Mobile imaging arrays inevitably fail under low-light stress, suffering catastrophic signal-to-noise ratio degradation in challenging environments, while sustained high-bitrate video capture forces mobile silicon into thermal throttling, severe battery drain, and display dimming to prevent structural hardware damage. Dedicated imaging platforms, though occupying a more specialized market tier, retain structural engineering advantages that no smartphone form factor can physically replicate. Recent compliance filings and wireless certification registrations within global regulatory databases confirm that an official Sony unveiling is imminent, as these specific bureaucratic milestones historically precede retail deployment by mere weeks. Leaked internal schematics indicate the RX100 VIII will anchor its imaging pipeline around a completely redesigned 1-inch stacked CMOS sensor, engineered to drastically minimize readout latency and maximize low-light photon collection. While flagship smartphones must deploy hyper-aggressive noise reduction algorithms, unnatural digital sharpening, and artificial dynamic range expansion that introduce severe artifacts, a massive physical sensor captures native, unadulterated data, preserving pristine chromatic fidelity and microcontrast without computational hallucination. Furthermore, sustained content creation exposes the severe thermal limitations of modern smartphone architecture. Recording high-bitrate 4K footage on a mobile device inevitably triggers rapid thermal saturation, forcing the operating system to downclock the application processor and curtail capture performance to manage the compute overhead. Conversely, dedicated compacts are thermally optimized for sustained throughput, ensuring uninterrupted, high-bandwidth data logging without performance degradation. This operational separation also mitigates the severe battery degradation associated with compounding standard communication tasks, navigation, and heavy imaging workloads on a single mobile cell, utilizing hot-swappable power packs to ensure zero operational downtime during extended production schedules. The architectural overhaul of the RX100 VIII reportedly extends deep into its input-output and processing infrastructure, introducing standardized USB-C high-speed data architecture, expanded color science with professional-grade bit depth for advanced color grading, and next-generation 4K encode profiles. While a projected retail price point exceeding the $1,000 threshold may initially trigger consumer friction, strategic buyers recognize the long-term macroeconomic value proposition. Rather than participating in the predatory annualized smartphone upgrade cycle solely for minor camera iterations, modern creators are decoupling their communication hardware from their creative toolkits, pairing a highly capable, multi-year dedicated imaging asset with a mid-tier, budget-friendly mobile device. If Sony executes this launch with the precision indicated by these supply chain leaks, it will fundamentally disrupt consumer purchasing behavior, forcing the industry to question the financial validity of the annualized mobile upgrade altogether.